Hey everyone, this is Josh Flory over at the Causeway family of dealerships. I want to take a little bit of time and introduce the 2023 Navigator to everyone. Now, as we walk up to the Navigator, you'll see that it will present itself. The Lincoln badge does light up. It will light up alongside of the vehicle. You're presented with the power running boards, inviting you into the vehicle. Now, as nice as the outside of the 23 Navigator is, the inside is where it really shines. Stepping into the Navigator, you'll see that we have our 24-way power seats. You have two very large screens. You have your digital cluster. You also have your large center stack screen, which is going to offer things like navigation, built-in owner's manual, and wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Plenty of wood trim around the vehicle to give you a very comforting feel. You also have a full panoramic moonroof and plenty more features, especially ones in the back, which we're going to check out now. Now, moving back to the rear of the Navigator, you can see I'm sitting in the third row. You have plenty of space to accompany your guests, whether they're kids or adults. 3 people can sit in the third row. You also have 2 captain's chairs in the middle row, accompanied by the very cool center display. From here, you're going to be able to control your massaging seats in the rear, along with your heated and ventilated rear seats for your passengers. And despite everything that's in this space, we still have plenty of trunk room in the rear, which we're going to check out now. Now, even though the Navigator is a high-end luxury vehicle, you do still have a tow hitch for towing your boats or travel camper. Plenty of space in the rear. You do have more storage underneath. And if you need the extra space for golf bags or other bags, you can move all the seats down from this center location to give you the entirety of the Navigator to use for storage. Coming up to the holiday seasons, the 2023 Navigator would make the perfect gift. So if you or anyone you know is interested in a brand new Lincoln, Ford, Hyundai, Honda, or Nissan, you can contact me. My name is Josh over at the Causeway family of dealerships, 609-342-4434. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.